So this is the deodorant I made at home myself. So I'm going to be showing you how to get this, how to make this deodorant. This is all natural ingredients in them. Hola, bonjour, ekaro, ekason, ekale, kujani. How are you guys doing? Wherever you're watching me from, I say welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade deodorant. This homemade deodorant is very natural. It contains natural ingredients compared to most bought deodorants. Most of these store-bought deodorants are full of toxic ingredients in them, especially some of them contains aluminum, and we don't want to be applying such chemical in our body because they are very toxic and dangerous to our health. So since I discovered this homemade deodorant, I started making it at home, and I feel like showing you guys to, so that you can start making yours as well. This homemade deodorant has just 3 simple ingredients that you're gonna need to make it. Not expensive. In fact, most of these ingredients you already have in your kitchen. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to make it, the process, where you can get these ingredients, and everything you need to know about this homemade deodorant. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. These are the ingredients we are going to need. You can either choose between these 3 oils, either your beeswax, coconut oil, or shea butter. So and this is the powder I'm going to be using. Instead of baking powder, I'm going to be using cornstarch. I ordered my arrowroot powder, but it's taking too long to arrive. I don't know what's going on, but is either you use arrowroot powder or you use your cornstarch powder, or if you even have baby powder, that is totally fine as well. So, and this is my container for the deodorant. This is where I'm going to pour in it, and I also have my measuring cup here and my bowl to mix my ingredients. So we got all our ingredients ready, and essential oil as well. Essential oil, whichever essential oil you prefer. I'm going to be using rosemary leaf, which is, I have fresh rosemary leaf in this video, but for the sake of this video I'm going to be using my shea butter and my cornstarch, just for you to have a glance of other ingredients you can use as alternative. That's why I'm showing you all of this. You can use your beeswax or your coconut oil, whichever one is fine, but I'm going to be using my my shea butter with my coconut oil, okay, and my cornstarch. That's all we need with our essential oil, and let's get into it. So this video we are going to be eliminating baking soda for people that are very sensitive to baking soda. So the first thing I did is get my water on the stove. I put like 1 cup of water in the pot and let it steam while I prepare all my ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour ½ cup of coconut oil in the bowl. Two tablespoons of shea butter. So our water is hot. I'm going to melt my shea butter with this thing and make sure my shea butter is all melted. Right now my shea butter is all melted in the coconut oil, so I'm going to pour my cornstarch powder. I'm gonna mix it all, make sure it's all dissolved in the oil. So we mix it and it's all smooth with the powder. So if you feel like it's too thin for you, you can add some little cornstarch powder in it. So after mixing and everything is smooth, I'm going to pour my rosemary in it. So I got my fresh rosemary and I'm going to sprinkle it in it, just like that. So I'm going to leave this for like 5 minutes for the rosemary to get infused in it before I pour it in my container. And voila, we got our homemade nice looking deodorant. No toxic ingredients in this. There's no aluminum. All these toxic ingredients in the store-bought deodorants are not good for your health. Most of them cause skin cancer and what have you. So you have to be very, very careful of what you put in your body. I love the scent. I love the natural scent. This is so good.
Can I smell?
Look at it.
Yes, I got it.
So we're going to leave it to air dry, and once it's dried, we're going to cover it. If you are in a warm region, make sure to keep it in your refrigerator. And if you want to learn more about this deodorant, kindly head over to my website www.simpleaffordabledIY.com, and you're going to get every information you need. So if you don't want to put yours in this deodorant container, you can equally use a jar that has a cover that you have at home. That is totally fine as well.